Hi, this is Dr. JMR Chemistry. Today I would like to explain about compounds of elements of group 14 elements, or we can call it as 4th A group elements. First I would like to explain preparation of carbon monoxide. Here, by heating oxalic acid with concentrated sulfuric acid, so a mixture of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide is obtained. So here oxalic acid formula H2C2O4, or you can write it as COOH. So here when it is react with sulfuric acid, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, gases are formed. Next, preparation number 1. Preparation number 2, heating formic acid with concentrated H2SO4 to form carbon monoxide. So formic acid means HCOOH, we can call it as formic acid. On heating with sulfuric acid, so here carbon monoxide is formed. That is second preparation. Third preparation by reduction of oxides of heavy metals like ferric oxide or zinc oxide. When it is react with carbon to form iron, suppose you take ferric oxide, react with carbon to form iron, and here carbon monoxide is formed. It undergoes reduction. So carbon converted into carbon monoxide. So here next, zinc oxide react with the carbon to form zinc, and here it undergoes oxidation. So here carbon react with zinc oxide to form zinc plus carbon monoxide. Like this, heavy metals react with carbon to form carbon monoxide. By reduction, here carbon dioxide can be reduced with carbon or zinc at high temperature. Suppose for example, zinc react with carbon dioxide on heating means, or you take carbon dioxide is passed over red hot zinc tube, or you take on zinc. So here zinc oxide carbon monoxide is formed. Means like this also, carbon dioxide, that carbon is also converted into carbon monoxide. Like this, here what happened, zinc or you take carbon react at high temperature, they are converted into the respective oxides, and carbon dioxide converted into carbon monoxide. Next one, by heating carbonates of what you take, calcium carbonate or barium carbonate, or you take zinc carbonate, so they react with what you call a zinc to form magnesium oxide, zinc oxide and carbon monoxide. Like this, to form the respective oxides. So carbonates react with zinc to form magnesium oxide, zinc oxide and carbon monoxide. This is also another preparative method. And another preparative method for carbon monoxide, here potassium ferrocyanide react with sulfuric acid plus water. Here potassium sulfate, ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate and carbon monoxide is formed. How this reaction is formed means, first initially potassium ferrocyanide, that is powdered form. So react with sulfuric acid to form potassium sulfate and ferrous sulfate and hydrogen cyanide is formed. Then here hydrogen cyanide react with water to form formic acid and ammonia. So here again here ammonia, so which is produced in this reaction, react with sulfuric acid to form ammonium sulfate. Then here formic acid react with sulfuric acid to form carbon monoxide and water. So like this, potassium ferrocyanide react with sulfuric acid and water to form potassium sulfate, potassium ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate, and carbon monoxide is formed. Thank you. This is Dr. JMR Chemistry.